In my last presentation, I had fought my way through thorn bushes just to reach the Arntully Great House, a plantation estate built in 1798, high in the foothills of the Blue Mountains. After exploring the ruins, I decided not to return the same way I came. Instead, I chose the long route back through the surrounding communities. Now, what seemed like a straightforward walk through the hills soon turned into a much longer journey than I expected.
Turn left onto Nes Castle to Bethel Gap Road.
I burn it burn down.
Yeah.
Who burn it down?
I'm there, Bondo.
Uh-huh.
Just one man, work like a young fire down too.
And then they say water comes from there. Yeah. Why?
If you go so we are going back at home.
Eh? Water from the road, guys. Yeah guys, so we're in Arntully, or Arntully, a couple miles from Cedar Valley in western St. Thomas, and we're heading down into Nes Castle, rural community in western St. Thomas, and this community was actually in St. David's until the boundaries were changed and it became a part of St. Thomas. Alright, so I'll be showing you guys the isolated community of Nes Castle and Bethel, and back out into the Cedar Valley area. There guys, on the landscape over there. So look there. You see that? Beautiful. There's so much more of this for us to see going down. Yeah? So we'll head down into Nes Castle. This is water being wasted, and some communities in St. Thomas have no water. The hillside over there, so guys. So we're in the Blue Mountain Hills, you know, the foothills of the Blue Mountains. Yeah, it's very high up. And if you haven't checked out the Arntully Great House video that was recently uploaded, you need to check out that, right? And you'll know exactly where we are. So the Arntully Great House is up there. Yeah. Blessed Elder. Alright. Only the Arntully alone are the only house up here?
Yeah.
No more than the round now?
No.
Them take over the Sherwood one, right?
Right?
The Sherwood one take over.
Yeah, you show you want to take up what's up there.
Okay, one to something under the lodge. It have a name, something under the lodge.
Yeah,
Brook Lodge.
back also.
Okay. I can take us to go down Nes Castle come out.
Yes, go straight back.
Alright, respect here.
Yeah.
Blessings.
Can you go right back to Arntully Gap?
Eh?
Where you want to go?
Back to
Cedar Valley.
may I go back to Cedar Valley?
You're going straight back.
Alright, respect. Yeah.
When you buy cross,
Alright. Oh, this is the original entrance to go up Arntully.
yeah,
I just the gate to that there.
yeah.
Okay.
Get down there, so.
Oh, down here, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Come up there, so me take a while ago.
Yeah, I'm going to big gate there.
Oh. Where you say you talk?
No, that's the new one.
Oh. Alright.
That's where we're going to get.
Yeah, guys, so we're going. Mash up, I tell you. We're going down into Nes Castle. Eh? What you know about over there though? What you know about Arntully? What used to go on over there?
Arntully go tell me a guest house.
Uh-huh.
That guest house have more enough people that come there.
People used to come down them thing there?
Yeah, man.
I burn it burn down.
Yeah.
Who burn it down?
I'm there with one now.
Uh-huh.
Just man work like a fire down too.
Uh-huh.
And she was single. Fire spark, we just jump on that bird down.
The fire spark come up. Oh. Saying me say it was a coffee plantation back then.
Yeah.
With
No, because I'm back on my back.
oh. Okay, me say Bakra Master used to live there.
Yeah.
Back in the days.
Yeah.
Mm.
And right up so now. It's when you say big gate up, so one big gate where you pass.
Yeah.
Why book me? That means Mr. Cave and down. And up there some white people they have a big. They make one big guest house up there.
One guest house up there with that helicopter landing and them
Yeah,
something
yeah.
there. Me see it, man.
Okay.
Me see it. Uh-huh. I wonder around a Sherwood Forest too, you know. One helicopter landing pad on a Sherwood Forest too, you know.
Yeah, man.
Uh-huh.
And you go then cut out them bees.
Oh. Alright, me I move little fast and you still, you
man.
know.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Okay.
Bless up.
Yeah, man.
I respect, yeah?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's the deal.
Yeah, history me do, you know. So we are try to preserve the history for the younger generation.
Okay, I get you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
What time is it, guys? So we're heading down into Nes Castle. And for those of you who are familiar with Nes Castle, let me know in the comment section down below. I don't know which one of them entrance, but one of them entrance here. One of them track here, the main entrance still now, as him say. After them track them here, the main entrance down there, but one of them track here take you up to Arntully. Yeah. Arntully should be documented. It's one of the later plantation houses that were built in the late 1700s, 1796, I think. So I think it should be documented. This is something that we could really upkeep and, as I would say, turn into an Airbnb facility, you know. Whoa, now look over there, guys. That's the beauty of the landscape over there. Every different type of terrain you can imagine is over there. Yeah. Go down further. Up here is rather flat, you know. The Arntully plantation yard. Really flat. So they had 100 unpaid laborers on this plantation. Well, just about 198 unpaid laborers on this plantation. And they also did what Ladyfield did. They kept laborers on the plantation until they were needed, if you understand what I mean by that. Yeah? What's this down here? Stop me out, guys. This one wall, look at the water come out now. Whoa. And the rest of the water comes from there. And this is the water comes from, guys. Yeah. This one out through this. And the down. Can you imagine how long this stay here? Guys, can you imagine how long this stay so? No wonder they built the plantation up there, the great house, because of the water source. Yeah? Great water source right here. And I wonder if nothing there up there, so it's not building up there, so it looks so still. Yeah, I look down here. See that? It's a piece of concrete, I'm not sure. Now go down here and look. You see that look like a piece of concrete, guys? Could be one stone, because all of them stone up here look that way there. I'm not sure. But I'm not go down there still. That kind of hectic if you go down there. Alright, so I go down further. Seems as if water normally run off here. It was a landslide. Yeah. Whole construction. Big stone. House up there, but we have all the construction here. So they're not supposed to have water problem up here because the water run out of the pipe up there, so run from down here. Yeah. So, and why should these people be paying for water when the water is coming from a natural source? This is a very lovely community up in Western St. Thomas. I think we're still in Arntully, heading down into Nes Castle. Alright. So we'll head down further. A lot of big stone around here. Why though? Look up there. Landslide. Guys, so this is the first time this community will be shown on camera. Alright, so I hope you all enjoy this video or find it interesting. Alright, look on the stone wall there, guys. You see that? It's a stone wall going up there. That's one down there. Yeah, that's a colonial type house. But there are walls going up there. Could be a colonial type house, but if you know, see the foundation, I can't say it now. We'll go down further. A lot of apple trees and mango trees, them will blossom. Mango blossom, apple blossom. Something about this community I don't understand. It's a lot of stones, some really huge stones. Now look on down there, down there. You see how that stone is big? You want cat to cry. No shop there. Something going on down there. Stone walls. Look at this boulder. This is a really huge stone. There's an old building up there. Have a look how the stone is big enough. This looks like a colonial type house. But look on the stone. big. This look like a colonial type house, the two side and the front veranda and all of that. This is a colonial type house. Yeah, this piece of concrete down at the bottom there. Down there. The roof was lifted. As you see, it was refurbished, but this is an older type house. So I head down further. This rock is really huge. It's a really big stone. Oh. Another stone right here. That's why in the last video when we saw those formations I was saying it could be natural, you know, because as you notice around there are some very huge stones with some weird formations. So the mountainside over there so again. That's where we have come from, guys. Over there, so can you see the house there? One goes over there, so one dog down there, gully down there, so. And there's some over there, so a back. All for garbage. So we're in, I guess, Nes Castle or Arntully. I'm gonna ask somebody the name of the community. But we're heading down through Nes Castle into Cedar Valley. Okay. The platform, foundation, ring wall. Like one older wall. Blessed.
No.
What the name of the community here? Nestcastle mean already? Think me still in Arntully. What kind of building up there, sir? What kind of building up there, sir? Is a historic building up there, sir? Okay. It look old. History me do still now, is it? Alright. Yeah man, I go Arntully man. Arntully me really go, but I walk through go down Cedar Valley, is it?
Cedar Valley?
Yeah.
Turn back left.
Why?
If you go so you are going up back at town.
Eh?
When you reach a square, you have to turn left.
When I go up there, so turn, go take the left.
When you go down at the square. If you reach down at the square, go straight.
No, I come up on Grove Road, you know.
Yeah.
But I don't want to take Grove Road, go back down.
So when you come back Grove Road, you see that valley there?
And tell him walk come. Normally, if you watch my video, then I know I walk out the whole Jamaica. So I try to go back down through Nes Castle, go around Bethel and go back in the Cedar Valley.
Yeah, so when you reach that cross, you turn back left.
One crossing up here, sir?
Down.
Oh, down here, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn back left.
Okay, thanks, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Yeah, guys, so we're heading down on this road. Don't want to get lost. Yeah. Guys, you know, I end up a gap and end up back in a town. Like here, I could have walked up a pin, but that wouldn't make no sense to me right now. Yeah. That sound like shot though. That sound like gunshot. I don't know, but I have to go down there. You just have to take the left. So when we reach down, let's also go on left. I take the left. Old building up there, so from the driveway, you can know it's an old building. Old building down here also. The driveway them, so we know it's old. People are refurbish a build back on the construction. On the other side over there, guys. That's a building down there. Old house. Somebody I nail zinc. It sound like you know it sound. This is an old house. The old house that the soldiers got from the Queen. If you look, you have old construction in front, right? Old walls. Yeah. I'll go down further. Just have to take the right turn and reach down here. So as not to reach back in a gap on that town. This look like a crossroad. Yeah. This look like the building that over there. Have to go check. These are the crossroads.
Turn left onto Nes Castle to Bethel Gap Road.
Lovely crossroads up in the bush. Yeah guys, we're on our way to Nes Castle in Western St. Thomas. I'm going to show you a video clip from the last time I came to this crossroads when I was doing a video from St. Thomas going to Papine, because you know there's a road that you can take. Look at this, guys. Is this a stone or is this a piece of wall? It's a stone. You see I stone them up here still? Look like they have got good roads around here. The last time I come around here, like, I'm showing you some clip from the video there. There wasn't any road, I mash up the car.
The road took a toll on the car. Not major still, but I have a little metal thing on the car where it break off. I'm not showing you still. I think it like hold the muffler or something like that. It's not something that, it's not mechanical, it's not electrical. So what I'm actually planning to do is remove it, because it will draw up on the ground and the road low and all of that. The car low and the road Ilangoli as far as you guys see.
It's not, come on.
So this is it, guys. You know, that little metal thing there. If somebody can tell me what that really needed, what it needed under the car, I'm gonna tell me still is it. So yeah, I have to get that sort out. You know.
Just for coming around here, so you know, I'm showing you that too. There's a building we built down here, very huge, like a plaza. Ah, it's true, man. You're good, man. You're not highlighting on the video, you know, that's the building, you know. Where's that? Yeah, guys. So we're heading up back to Cedar Valley. The Cedar Valley community. The last time I came here, guys, there was no roads. I'm going to show the clips from that there were no roads. Man, them attacked me a while ago. So why am I film the building? So I say like, you're not caught on camera, it's the building is big. Like, you're small in the video, nobody never see you. And at the end of the day, it's a public place. Let me just show the upliftment of the community, you know. Yeah, so that's the conversation we had. So I head up on the road here. Alright. Beautiful countryside of Western St. Thomas. I hope I get this correct now, you know. Western St. Thomas. That's what Google said, you know. Hey guys, you see how them stone look like wall? I tell you. No, hold on. A stone up there, so or is a building? You see the stone there? The stone look like a building, yo. I wonder if them build upon it. It's big, yo. Down there, so where I come from, guys. Yeah? That's the crossroad they're coming from. And the house there, so where the man them across me. So I'm gonna have to film them. So that's the crossroad that we're coming from. Yeah? We're at that shop right there. Yeah. On the hillside over there. I'm gonna come up the road. I'll come around the corner. Yeah. Alright, so let's further up. When I look on the hillside over there, so guys, look at that pretty. That's really beautiful, yo. Yeah. Really beautiful. For real. Alright, we'll head up further. Head out into Cedar Valley. Right here, as I told you all before, somebody lived down there still. So I'm colored basin, like an orange basin, like somebody did a wash, you know. Yeah, it's an older house. Look how further up the road. Yes. Cool. These stones are huge here, guys. Here, the one I go up the road, it look like the road bud. Up there, so come here to drive on gravel. Anywhere I go, whether I go up, whether I go down, the hills, them just cut out for me. I look on the mountain over there, so peeps, the Blue Mountain Peaks. This is the closest we have come to the Blue Mountain Peaks since January. And yeah, we will be going up into those peaks one day, alright? Yeah man, on the lookout for that. Yeah? It's a house down there. Looks like a shop was here. Oh, look here. Old Nissan AD, old Nissan B13 or B12. Driveway. I'm on the road, but up here, so. No. Eh? You see up on your bush there?
Up on the road there.
Oh, me da go Arntully.
You go Arntully?
Yeah.
I walk Arntully, come down. That may I say for the road I go fix.
No, history me do still.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah guys, so we're head further up, heading into Cedar Valley. Yeah, but I mean, if the powers that be seeing the road, then maybe them can get it fixed for real. You know? Because the road is really bad. Even for walk on it bad. And these are things that will cause these communities to be abandoned when the roads are like this. You know? When I look there. So now tell me now, say all this is one stone. It's a stone, you know, guys. Let's see what look. This rock look like it can roll down anytime. Like it will roll down anytime out of the hill. Yeah. I want to tell you, so the road is even better now than it was when I came around here. Yeah? Better now. What's up here? Oh, what's up there, so? Oh, what's up there, so up on the hill? The next house will be long up on the flat. Some really huge stones in this part of St. Thomas. Okay. There's a truck going down there. I always miss the truck, them and take the long way around. You see the truck straight down from the road, it gone, you know, where I come from, you know. I'm gonna miss it and take the long way around. Alright, so if I go up further, we're heading into Cedar Valley. Lovely community this, you know, guys. Quiet. I'm showing over there, so see there, guys. Look at the beauty of that. Really beautiful. So I go up further, heading up into Cedar Valley. Yeah, man. Blessings. Where your name, I? Where your name?
Cracker, man.
Long time live around here?
Yeah, man.
What you know about the Arntully Great House?
Oh, yeah, it was a great place, man, where lots of things done, man.
People boy used to work down them thing there?
People boy, I used to live there as well.
Eh?
Yeah, man, the Powell them.
The Powell them?
Yeah, come from, when them come here, they come from Manchester.
Oh, me hear say it used to run as a Airbnb too, like a guest house.
Yes, as well.
So what caused it for just run down south of the blues? Cause 2022 it's still up and running.
Yes, what happened, nobody now take care of it.
Oh.
People claim to them buy it and then it just go for nothing.
Come go over there a while ago, be a cut and scare me get enough to go through. I hope you up on my shoulder grass there, you know.
The guy take a video for.
Yeah, me I try uphold the history to show the younger generation say what used to happen, you see me?
Yeah, man, for real, man.
What you know about Sherwood Forest?
Yeah, man, them place a coffee, all different, man.
But it's still around.
But it's still around.
What you know about Brook Lodge?
Yes, coffee.
Same thing.
Same thing, you know, but it used to develop more. The whole of them.
But Sherwood are the bigger one though.
Sherwood are the bigger one. Okay.
You know who live up at the house where you turn before you come down Arntully? We have the helicopter place up there. They have a landing pad up there. When you go up on the road,
we have the upstairs and downstairs.
you reach at the Arntully gate. When you go through that gate, then go up. Who live up there? Some white.
Cable months.
Nobody don't know who.
Some white. Them over.
Cable months.
Cable months used to.
So hold on. After Kiev, the writer,
After Cave,
did run it. Him did try to sell it to Cable Mons.
Yes,
But then it never worked through Manly. They use it to raise the taxes and them things. So him did end up get it.
Him end up get it.
Him get Arntully too?
Yes, him wife have it. Him wife did want it. Cable Mons' wife.
Him still alive?
Well, I know say Cable Mons died. I don't know about if the wife did die.
Because Cable Mons bought in I think 1963, 1973.
Yes, because I'm from Mavis Bank factory. Coffee factory over there.
You not even know where you do, because I have the history that I done put in the video already, you know.
Yes, for real.
Yo, big
Yeah,
up.
man, strength, man.
Big up, man. You know the history for real, man. What's your name again?
Frederick Jackson, man.
Frederick Jackson.
Cracker, yeah.
Cracker.
Yeah.
You have nobody where you want big up?
Yeah, man, out there, man. Big up my mother, man, and my father, and my family, them, man, and my church sisters and brothers, them.
Alright.
And, you know, and go with God, because God
True,
rule.
true.
And take care in good time
Real,
and
man.
forever, you know?
For real, man. Yeah, guys, so I was just speaking about Cable Mons in the last video about the owners of the plantation. I see this man tell me about Cable Mons own the helicopter thing. So it looked like his wife still lives there. Yeah? Anyway, we're heading up there. Not sure what is over here, guys, but it fence up a whole building over there brought down. Look there. That is so beautiful. Sorry, I have to show you through the fence, but you know, oh, the sun there. See sun up there, so guys. We still have time. That is so beautiful. Yeah, the hillside. We're heading up further. We're heading up into, we're in Nes Castle, so we're heading up into Bethel and then Cedar Valley. Alright, so now follow me. Guys, so we're going up further. I think this journey that we're doing should be around 4 miles. Yeah, but 4 and 5 and 6 miles start to get easy. Because I've been doing it so much, I just start it easy. I don't see it as an issue anymore. I appreciate the 18 and 19 miles hike. Those are the ones I like. Yeah. But as you know, this video and the Arntully video were done in 1 day. So I actually did about 10 miles around that. Yeah. So yeah, man, not nice, but yeah, it was easy. Well, may I say it was easy because I'm not finished it still, but down that's where I come from, guys. Water run on the road. Just hope I not end me up back on the same road and I come down, but you know, because that wouldn't be nice. Because I don't know why I see water. tree of blossom. So much water come from. Alright, so if children walk from Cedar Valley Square or come around here, that means Cedar Valley Square is supposed to be relatively near. Yeah? Because kids are coming from school. It's a house down there. That's a beautiful house over there. I love the paint job on this. Like a pet project. Yeah. Very aggressive bike coming up behind me. That's it. Yeah guys, so we're heading up further. As the little youths say, go up the road and go around the corner there and go around the next corner. So an old wall there guys. Put it up here, so this is an old wall. I know right up here, so I'm not sure if it's Colonial, but it's an old wall. Anyway, we'll go up further. I think I remember this place, you know, up here. From when I was younger, you know, around 9. Look over there, so very beautiful. There's much dark over there, so you see them? Inside, lovely view. Over there, so where I come from. Next aggressive bike on the road again. Look over there, so. Okay guys, I can't stop looking over this. It's just beautiful. And look at the clouds. You see the bird? Yeah. Look like a kid bird. But them say them call the young junker them again. I not even remember. I call them kid bird. This is so bright. Like the sun is just in its prime right now. And you see how the place look nice? Lovely sunlight in contrast with all the snow you guys are getting here. Look on the rest of the wall there. What's this two on them? Yeah, guys. So we're heading up to Cedar Valley, and it's the mountainside. Up in them hills that we go. Yeah guys, and these communities are communities that are never yet shown on YouTube. It's the first time, well, the second time on camera. The first time it was on camera I did it. Yeah, no one has ever been here. These communities are like forgotten. However, they are thriving. They might thrive. Like when I realize the shop them open and all of that. You see me? Construction are going. You see me? So these communities are thriving, yeah, but they are forgotten. And like all the road them need to fix. Like the government agencies them need to do something, because people live here and them need roads. Like people live here, them have fund the automobile market, them buy cars and stuff like that, them buy bikes, them pay them water bill. You see me, them not do like the people on Danvers spend. Them pay them water bill, them pay them light bill. Them need roads. Them need roads for drive upon. Oh God, man. Like, when I saw the people them drive upon, and this is a progressive community. This something up there, so on the road going up there, so guys. This is a progressive community for over 30 years. You know what I'm saying? Over 30 years. This is a crime-free community. The only time people did not them community are when them pass off naturally. You know? These are places where them need for a proper road. These people need to be where you say now. They need to be the word there. They need to be compensated for keeping the peace. Like me think so. Them need proper roads, man. You know, I don't ever think everybody have water, but I don't say no problem with the water, because I see water a while ago all along the road. You know, but them need roads. You know, because this is a road, this is a main road that actually takes you back to Papine, you know, guys. Can you believe that? This is a main road that takes you from Cedar Valley to Papine. Alright? You know, have to go in a Marant Bay and go around. So why is this road not fixed? A lot of people don't even know so this road exists. Very lovely community up here, guys. Them just would want some rodeo. Like, I've never been anywhere else. This community is not a dying community. It's not an isolated community per se. It's only isolated by the people who are in power, who should be doing things for these communities. It's not isolated. The people up still got a market, still got a shop, still a traveler, flying through airport, and do everything, pay them taxes and all of that. Why them can't have good road? You know? I've seen other communities like Mount Felix. I can see with that because Mount Felix is abandoned. You understand? Beacon Hill has fairly good roads. You know? Most of the places that I've been to, they have fairly good roads. Even Fonthill, some of the road is bad, but they have fairly good roads. But up a place like this, where there's so much being done in this community, where so much coffee come out of the community and them thing there. So a whole while, guys. What are you so? Whoa. Looks like something did over here, so you know, peeps. So a whole while. A whole foundation this. Look over here, so. Over here. If it's over here at the first. Hold on, I can't see this. Guys, concrete this, you know. Old structure this, you know, guys. It's a one old structure. One house there, so. One house there, right? It look like landslide, take it away. One house was here. So it look like landslide, take it away, because a step. You step them there, guys. Next one, so. Nothing around here, so a tree I drop down, block my path. My house is there up here, so guys, but landslide cover it. See, step them there. Wow, you see how history can be covered easy, guys. And if you notice, even bamboo grow back. It slide down, the bamboo them slide down with the mudslide and them grow back. So this has been a while. But see the step them there, guys. That's the only thing that's left. Don't look on a tree there. Weird. See small construction here, guys. It's a construction going up this. Wall them there. Yeah, guys, those are colonial walls. Yeah, those are colonial walls, guys. So there was a building there, and it seemed like a mudslide take it away. Yeah, let me see something up here. So no, no, that me think of the piece side that right there. So. See that? I think of the piece side. Alright, so I go further down. We're head down in the Cedar Valley. The house was up here. Guys, and see how these sites can disappear easy. Just as easy as that one mudslide. You know? You see, it only take a mudslide to find them, you know. But then it take just a mudslide to make them disappear. Anybody will understand that? Let me know if you understand that in the comment section down below. Only a person will know me personally will understand that statement. You know? Yeah, there was a house up there. A very large yard. Where it was covered by landslide. It's beautiful. Look at those. Like them there. Yeah. Somebody sent me get some soursop leaf for them. So I'm gonna start getting those so that they can dry. You can have them, alright? Yeah man, if you're watching, you know. Mr. Grave there. If you're watching, you know yourself. See the pine tree them there, guys. So we're actually higher than the pine trees, as you notice. Just to show you guys how high we are. Alright? So we're still up in the mountains. In the Blue Mountains. Alright, so we're in the community of Nes Castle, heading down to Cedar Valley. After you pass the Cedar Valley Primary School or the Cedar Valley Junior High School, that area passing the school coming up to Cedar Valley is known as, well, not known as, it was part of St. David. It wasn't actually St. Thomas, it was part of St. David's. Yeah, and when the Poor Relief Fund was passed, the Poor Relief Law was passed, and the government wanted to save some money and cut back on the amount of parishes from 22 to 14. That's when it became a part of St. Thomas, and that is why these places are mostly forgotten. Yeah. Alright, so we'll head down the road. Bless. Yeah, guys, look over this one. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful hillside. Man, they just pulled up on the hill. You see it? Yeah. That's why we have good signal, because we have good signal from my phone same way. I'll come there way up in the hills. Yeah. So I'm showing how far up in the hills I'm showing some. When you look there, that's down in the valley. You can have a sit down there. You see that? Down there, so we have to go back, you know, because we have to go Mark Bay, so you know we have to go down and then go down in the lower valley. So we're really high up here. Alright guys, I'm showing you something where I come from up there, so. And look, you see the view down there, so. Lovely. And over there, so. Down in the precipice. But I'm showing over here, so now. Look over here, so guys. We still have a mountain over there, you know. You see that? You know, big mountain, you know. And the sun still shine over there. Yeah. So we actually walk through the middle of the mountain. Look there. Shout out to the farmer who farm the banana down here. So he do a very good job. Look at this. This is so beautiful right here. Anybody need this picture, let me know in the comment section down below. Alright. Wow. So beautiful. Somebody has sell board. All these people need are roads. What's the big dog there? I do like him now, look at me a while ago. He look for me and then I do like him now, look for me like him turned around there. So. Alright, so look there. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah man, we're headed to Cedar Valley guys. Yeah. We're still in the hills guys, the Blue Mountain peaks up there, still close. I hear water but I still not see no water today, but I hear water down in the flat down there, so maybe a car I hear, I'm not sure, but I don't think a car still, I think water. There isn't any roads down there. Yeah guys, so still on our way heading down to Bethel and then out to Cedar Valley. So as I noticed, there are kids coming from school, so I think we are close to Bethel. Alright. Check the map.
Sir, it's one boy pass.
I'm going around the corner. No, watch the video.
Evening.
Good evening. Elite Jamaica. Elite Jamaica. ELITE Jamaica. Elite Jamaica. Yeah. Good evening. Alright guys, so we're heading down to the Bethel crossing, which we should be shortly because I already see kids walking from Cedar Valley Square, so that means we're near Cedar Valley Square. Alright, come on. I enjoy communities like these. I never know so much people live up so still. And one thing I always say, whenever time I always say this, whenever time you go in our I always say this, whenever time you go in our community and there are kids in the community, you can hear the voices of kids, you can hear the sounds of kids playing, coming from school, all of that. That's not a community that's dying. That's a community that's thriving, you know. That's a good community, you know, it's moving forward. When I go in our community, I know see no picnic and mostly senior citizens, and guess what, I don't mean nothing against senior citizens, don't get me wrong. But when you see a community that is just senior citizens and no kids in the community, most of the time that's a dying community. Yeah. Alright, so the point we are going down the road. Head down to Bethel. Guys, everywhere we're going is just the beauty of the landscape. And you know, y'all gonna get bored of this. I'm gonna tell me if I'm gonna get bored of it, but I just gotta show y'all this. I enjoy the beauty of the landscape. Nature is just fascinating. It's a deep drop off down there. Big up to the farmer while the farming. Yeah. Guys, now check out the view over there. So. Like this is a mudslide, you know, a landslide, you know, peeps. Yeah. All a year seems like all a year was washed away, you know. Wanna look over there, so. Look there. That's a beautiful view over there. For some reason my phone the data now connect the calls them. Yeah guys, we're heading down into Cedar Valley. Yeah. You see the wire them run gone across the hill? I don't know how JPS do them something here, you know, man. This is like a miracle, you know. Look here. You know, look here. See the wire them there, you know, guys. Alright? The wire them gone across the hill. Gone down. So, where them go for run the wire? Like, them go down in the gully for run the wire. And this not even that bad. Well, for me and for you all, this bad. Yeah? You know, look. For we, this bad. Right? This is one precipice gone down there, so. Oh, them run the wire across this, so gone over this. So. The last time I go up a Coptic, the same thing I see, where the wire is run across some precipice. Oh, them do it. And that's why sometimes when we lose electricity and we are complaining, say like we neighbor have electricity, sometimes it's a different package, you know. It's a different, I don't remember what the name of them call it, you know, but it's a different grid. So your light cannot come from somewhere totally different. And where it disconnect, maybe it's up in some bush with green leaf there and tree. You understand? So they have to be careful. Whereas if you live in an area of rainfall, them have to be careful. So sometimes it will take a while for you get back electricity, and now we have to understand them thing there. Because when you look at a thing like this, see, you know, across the void, you know, see the light wire them there? And these are the leaves, because you remember the one in the Coptic video, you know? So we have to big them up, man, across the gully, across the wall, free them go and run the light, you know. So we have to big them up. So I think we are close by to the Cedar Valley, because that's a good road now. Still have my shades no last, I still have my thing them hang on for my bag them no last. Look at the beauty of this place over here, guys. That's the hills, you know, man. The beauty of the hills, these places make you feel small. I don't know, we're going to explore the whole of them place there. You all know that. There's no question about it. Yeah. These are the walls that we see sometimes, and if we are not careful, or if we don't know the era, we can think that they are older. But one thing you can use to mark them is that these walls, the modern ones, they have these holes. Sometimes they are practical for water to run through, sometimes they are just left. I'm not sure why they leave them, but yeah, the modern ones, they always have those holes in them, you know. Yeah, I could be a code that come up with just for know the building them different, you know, but yeah, that's a modern wall. Now look, there's a precipice down the side, guys. Real precipice. Anything down that gully there have to stay. So how low, so how am I reaching this? Let me see if I can zoom in. You see that? We'll come along out of the Blue Mountain Hills, going further and further down to Cedar Valley. Yeah. And this community is the first time it's been documented on camera. Alright, so share the video, guys, if you are from the area, or if you know anyone from this area. All out down here, so somebody a farm, big up to the farmer. I do the farming, really I do a good job. I plant corn. Yeah, man, corn a good thing, you know. I like sweet corn still. You just eat the sweet corn out of the can on a beautiful hillside, guys. A beautiful dog. And that from come. Alright, you know, come must stay. It sound big enough, peeps. In bark sound like a big giant dog. You know? Alright. Truck gone down here, so hope I know one of them truck the way. Go through and gully and link me up down on the next side of the road, so I'm building it down there, so guys, I don't know how that's still, but I'm not taking a chance to go down there. Night I come, we see our time. I'm far out of rain, same way. I'm gonna have to get home because of taxi I take. I'm in this area, till 6 o'clock, I must get a taxi. Look at what time. See time there, guys, 5:33. Alright, and look there. Yo, it's so beautiful with the sun going down and all. Like, look, very beautiful. I'm sure you know where we are going. When you sit down with them house there, if you want to watch the last video, the Arntully video, that's where we were walking down on the flat. Yeah? Alright, so here the power saw. You remember we had the power saw in the last video? Yeah, them still are cut, because remember, I know the Arntully video and this video was shot on the same day, you know, sit down in the community there. Yeah, man. So we're heading to Cedar Valley, and if you haven't watched the Arntully video, I would advise you to go back and watch it. That is really interesting, guys. Alright, and like filming this video, I'm not edit it yet. I'm gonna know it's interesting, so you can imagine after I edit it and, you know, put the main points together and all of that. The stones. Yeah, man. So I head down into Bethel, and then from Bethel we head out to Cedar Valley. Sound like we reach a Bethel, we hear loud music, and that's the square. So if music is playing, I think it should be the Bethel square. You see the hillside, pretty on. Yeah, but that's where I come from. We'll go down in the Bethel square now. So we just pop out of the bush and pop up in our community, just like we always do. We wonder where we are come from. Okay? And when we say we, guys, I refer to you who are watching and myself. So I say we, because I take you all along with me. Yeah? Copyright music up here down here, so guys, I have a film still, but now cut out the music and try to do that. Yeah, guys, so we'll pass the copyright music and we're head down into Cedar Valley. Beautiful house up there. Next house I build there. Still looking at the hills and the peeps. That's why I see them type of tree. You notice how the tree them grow up here? Yeah. You see how high above sea level with it. My phone's supposed to be about 2%. So with a 656 meter above sea level. So we're still fairly high up. Yeah, see the mountains over there, same way. As you notice, we're still on the same level with the hills. Yeah. So I think we have to go down in the flat down there. I think that's where we are going. And I've got a lot of videos to do up this side because I've got Richmond and those places to go to, and Mangrove and those places. Alright. But I think, I'm not sure, I think that is down in Richmond still. I'm not sure if that's where we're going. I think that is down in Richmond because I don't think we have to go so far. The community there. Alright, so hopefully we're not fail go down there, and Bethel is right out here. The community is Bethel Square, because we're out of Nes Castle. I think we're already in Bethel. I think the square is down here. So yeah. That's beautiful. This is the perfect shot right here. Allow me to tell guys, if you're watching this far, let me know if this isn't the perfect shot with the sun over there. Now I'm gonna put the picture here, and anyone who wants it to frame can let me know. Alright? Yeah. So I think this is the square from here, one vehicle come from around the back road there, so. And I'm not gonna take a taxi, I'm gonna go straight to the Cedar Valley Square, where I got off the taxi this morning. About the 4th time I see the van from mine. Yeah. So this is a better square, I think. Go up on the side there. Yeah, this is the better square because the vehicle them down there, so the square down here. The road are down there, so we have up on. This is the better square, guys. Yeah, guys, we're on our way out to Cedar Valley Square. And look, got the view down there. That's the community down there that we're going down in. Alright. We are showing the Cedar Valley police station. That's an historic building that has been used as the police station. Alright, so yeah, go to this. So I come from up there. You can see the wall, modern wall still. Don't look for my shoes them. Like, it's crazy, but I enjoyed today. Really enjoyed today. Yeah. So this is the community of the community of Cedar Valley in Western St. Thomas. Yeah. Nes Castle, Bethel, Cedar Valley. The first time on camera. The first time that Bethel and Nes Castle was on camera was a video I did 5 years ago, which I showed you guys clips from. Yeah, these communities are isolated and we don't want these communities to be forgotten, so we have to highlight them. Yeah. Now look around, it's beautiful. So that's down where we're going. There's a community down there. Yeah. That's where we're going. Precipice also. Water that normally run through this, so come down and go down underneath the road. So go down also. Here. Blessings everyone, thank you for watching this video. Before I go further, I just want to say that I know that these videos are long and sometimes you'll say, well, you know, I'm not gonna watch it today, I'll watch it tomorrow. But I'm asking you if you can put the video on and just let it play when it's uploaded, because in that way it is recommended more by YouTube. Alright, so that journey was, well, I liked it. It was hectic, but I liked it. And the fact is, the Arntully video and this video was done on the same day. These videos were done before I actually injured my leg. Yeah, as I said in the community post. For those of you who haven't seen it, I have always been warned about going out into the wild alone and the proper walking gear and stuff like that. I really appreciate the concern. But the irony is, I was home, I was working on the video, jotting down some notes in my notebook. The pen fell, rolled under the settee, and just getting up from the settee, I turned and twist my foot. But before I could actually stop myself, I was already going down, and then I licked my foot, I licked my knee. I licked my knee on the ground. I knocked my knee on the ground, you know, and dislocated. So right now, I literally can't walk, you know, I hobble. So I'll be out of commission for like a week, yeah. However, I'm trying to exercise it, like seeing how fast I can get it healed, you know. I'm gonna be doing more of those communities, and some of these places, even if they aren't historic ruins or historic sites per se, I'll still be doing these explorations. All right, I think now we call them Ilan Gully Walk. You know, that was one of the shows I loved growing up, Ilan Gully Rider. So thank you all for watching. It was a pleasure having you here, and look out for the other one. All right.